The environment around you is quietly shaping who you're becoming. And sometimes the biggest career mistake you can do is stay where you feel comfortable, but it makes you feel smaller. I have worked 4 different jobs in the last 10 years of my career, and there was one year where I was working with a small team of 4 people into basic accounting, finance, and tax work. Although the job had its own benefits, it was a stable job from 9 to 5. I could spend evenings going to my dance class. I could have gotten a salary hike of 10% easily each year. But I realized pretty quickly that my learning had reached a ceiling in a matter of 7 months, 8 months. My exposure wasn't going to expand beyond that ceiling. And as someone who's very ambitious and wanted to keep learning, I knew that if I stayed there another year, I would get comfortable with not growing. So I left. I think there's something we really need to talk about here. Sometimes the job isn't bad. The job will be good, the salary will be great, your manager will be nice, work life balance will be great. But the environment will still not be the right thing for you because the environment around you shapes you. If everyone around you is constantly overworked, works late, is exhausted, you start believing that that is corporate life. If nobody's learning, not taking initiatives, or asking questions, you think that is normal and you stop doing it too. And if you spend years doing the work that doesn't challenge you, you might wake up with a good salary and a good title, but very little growth. Before you decide you need to switch jobs, ask yourself, what exactly am I missing? Is it learning, more ownership, exposure to different industries, a manager who actually invests in your growth, more meaningful, value driven work? And sometimes the answer isn't leaving, it's about having a conversation. Tell your manager where you want to go. Ask for projects that challenge you. Ask for ownership. Tell them where you want your career to go. But if you communicated, tried, and waited, and nothing has changed, maybe then it's time to move. And there is one another environment that I think is where we want to be equally careful about. It's the environment outside work. Your career can become an identity, but it cannot become your entire life. Keep doing things that have nothing to do with your job. Have hobbies, move your body, travel, create, learn something just because you enjoy. Because one day your career will change. Maybe you switch industries, maybe you will take a break. People have worked for 40 years and suddenly one day they retire and don't know what to do with the time they have because work was their entire life. I want my career to be part of my full life. Look at the environment around you, not just your work life, but your overall life. And ask yourself, is this environment helping me to become the person I want to become? Or it is just making me comfortable with who I am today? Because sometimes work doesn't require working harder. Sometimes it requires changing the surrounding around you. If you like this, please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time.